So now in our page we're going to add this logout button in our dashboard page. So once the user decided to log out from the system, we'll use that button. So currently, let's just remove that one. Let's use an A tag, use logout, or make the value to logout. Then here we can add an ID, logout btn. Then our style.css can you go grab. So for now I'll just use the browser. So here we can have padding of 5px, 10px, text decoration, and border 1 pixel, green, color red, and then let's just copy and then paste, refresh. So currently it's not working because we need to add the file, refresh. So now if we click the logout, it should redirect us to the logout.php. So now if we refresh, click, so logout.php is not yet created, so we need to create a new file. So here I already discussed this one in my previous video, but the way to log out the user is using the session or destroying the session. So here let's use session start, then here we'll just destroy or unset session. Here set user, then we can now redirect or set the location to index.php, and we can also add that error or the login message. Use logout successfully. So now if we refresh, you can see we are now logged out successfully. If we go to our dashboard page, so as you can see, file got be accessed, please log in to continue. Let's try Jando, test password. Then here you should see we are logging as channel, log out, back to dashboard. So let's try to add another user, and then here let's do change the test password. Then here just randomly select daytime, then here chain do. So if we go and we chain do and then test password, please submit. As you can see, it's chain do instead of the jando. Then we log out, it shows the error. So basically that's it on how we can log out or implement the logout feature in our system.